I'm going to show you a quick and easy way of working out how much wallpaper you need for a standard feature wall. You can measure the height of the wall and the width, work out the square meterage, work out the square meterage of the roll of paper, divide the lengths. That can get a little complicated. This is a really easy and a foolproof way of knowing how many lengths, how many drops of paper you'll need. So get a roll of paper or a length of paper rolled up and then mark it onto the wall. I'm just using my finger here to give me where this roll finishes. You can use a pencil and make a mark if you want to be precise to the millimetre, but you don't need to be. So 1 drop there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a little strip. So I need 7 drops of paper to hang this feature wall. I know with wallpaper with a pattern such as this has a big repeat on it. With all these papers, you will get 3 drops to a roll, always. You very rarely get 4. You'll never get less than 3. You'll get 3, so I need 2 rolls to give me the 6 drops. I need a strip, so unfortunately that's going to eat into a 3rd roll. So I'll need 3 rolls of paper for this feature wall.